What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can export your BullX Neo private key. Also, if you guys want to get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts, you can create a new account using my partner link from the description down below, and that way you can save up on trading fees. So now let's get started. Now, first off, once you open up your BullX Neo account, you will be on this default homepage right here. From the homepage, to export your private key, you would need to go to this menu right here and select the Wallet Manager option. Now, once you're in your Wallet Manager, you can select between two networks, either Tron or Solana. So for this example, we will stay on Solana because I would like to export my Solana wallet private key. Now, keep in mind that this is currently the only way that you can export your BullX Neo private keys. So first off, you would need to create a new wallet right here by clicking New and selecting Wallet. Now, from here, your new wallet will be created, this one right here, with a key icon next to it. Now, from here, what you need to do is click on this Private Keys option right here. Now your private keys from all the wallets right here will show on this menu right here. So what you need to do is click copy private keys and click next right here. Now, just to be sure, you can create a notepad file onto your computer and just copy paste the private keys just in case something goes wrong. So now you can just click I have saved them. And that was your only option to get your private keys. Now from here, if you want this wallet to be your primary, the one that we copied the private keys from, you can just select this and click make primary. Once you make your wallet primary, all the funds will automatically go to that wallet. But now when we have our private keys, we can import that private keys to our Solana wallet, and that way we can directly manage our funds from our Phantom wallet that we imported from BullX. And to do this, you would just need to log in into your Phantom wallet, go to your profile right here, select the plus icon, select import private key right here, and just simply paste your private key here, select a name for it, and just click import right here. And from there, your BullX wallet will be imported to the Phantom wallet, and you can manage your funds right from here. So that's guys how you can export your private key from the BullX Neo platform. Again, if you would like to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description below to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts. Thank you for watching.